The main purpose of me making videos on YouTube about my profit and loss is because I want you to understand that you can also make a monthly income. You can also earn a monthly income through swing trading, which is why I'm actually sharing my profit and losses with you, so that you understand that this is possible. Guys, in this video I will be explaining how I made a profit of 33,000 rupees with a capital of 4 lakh rupees, which makes it an 8.25% of return on my investment. So I made this profit this month, and in this video I will explain what are the different trades I took, what are the different profits I made, what are the different losses I made, and how I was able to manage these trades after overcoming several obstacles. And towards the end I will explain how you can also make a profit like this through swing trading and earn a consistent monthly income from the stock market. So friends, let's get started with this video. So what I do is I normally maintain an Excel sheet where I track my trades, and it also helps me to understand how much return I have been able to book, how much loss I have been booking, and it helps me understand how well I'm progressing with my trading journey. So I also share this Excel sheet with my students who take my class and learn my trading system. This is my Zerodha account, what you're seeing, and today is the day I closed my books, and as you can see I made a profit of 21,000 rupees in Zerodha. And let me open the next one. So this is the Upstocks account, and as you can see I made a profit of about 12,000 rupees in Upstocks, so which comes up to a total of about 33,000 rupees, 135 rupees. So now let's look at how many trades I actually took this month in order for me to make this kind of return. So as you can see in Zerodha I had taken about 6 trades, right? Okay, that's right, 6 trades I have taken in Zerodha, and in Upstocks I've taken about 4 trades. So totally I've taken about 10 trades this month to make this kind of profit. Second thing I want you to notice is that out of 10 trades I have made 2 losses. Okay, two trades have given me a loss. These 2 trades, Trident and HDFC Life, in Zerodha account, and in Upstocks account I haven't made any losses. All of my trades have been profits, which means out of 10 trades I've made a loss of 2 trades, which gives me about 80% of accuracy with this strategy. So 8 out of 10 trades I'm making profit using this strategy. So friends, now let me tell you what type of trades I take, what is swing trading, and how did I make this money. Okay, so friends, if you want to know what is swing trading, consider watching this video, because in this video I have explained what is the difference between positional trading and swing trading, and how you can make use of the stock market through swing trading to make a lot of money. So that is what I do, friends. I do swing trading since November 2021. I have been doing something a little different. See, before November 2021 I was doing the same thing, swing trading in equity cash market, where I used to buy stocks, because I use what is called a reversal strategy. So using a reversal strategy is very, very easy for me to identify the exact swing lows for me to make entry into the market. So I make an entry into the market, I hold, which means I buy cash. I'll buy 100 shares, 200 shares, and I will hold on to it for a few days, say 3 to 10 days, and when it gives me a profit of minimum 5% and maximum 10 to 15%, I will exit the trade and I will come out of the trade and I will make a profit. So this is what I was doing before November 2021. Okay, now what I started to do since November is that I have been taking short positions in stock options. Since my strategy is directional, then it makes a lot of sense for me to sell stock options for a much better profit. So that is what I started to do in November, and this month it has paid off very well. This month I booked a very good profit. Okay, so let me first tell you what is this reversal strategy which I use. So friends, what you're seeing here is HDFC Life, and you can see clearly that HDFC Life is trending down. Okay, it is making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so you can see this is one lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So it is making several lower highs, and it's also making lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low. Compared to the previous lows, these are all lower lows. So clearly HDFC Life is making lower highs and lower lows, and it is coming down. It's in a downtrend. Okay, so now what I do is I want to take advantage of the fact that I have this knowledge, right? So I understand that HDFC Life is downtrending. So what I want to do is I want to sell a call option, because I know it will not cross this level. Let's say at this point, over here, if say on this day, January 18th, I see this candle. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing pattern. So I know at this point that the market is showing signs of reversal. That is, HDFC Life is made a swing high. So what I will do is I will sell probably this level, or I will sell this level, 700 call option, or I will sell 690, 80, wherever there's a lot of liquidity, wherever what everybody is selling, I will also go ahead and sell, and I will hold on to it for a few days, say 5 to 10 days, and once it gives me the expected profit, I will exit the trade and come out of the trade. So I'm using the exact same strategy which I was using to make money in the cash market, which is my reversal strategy. It's just that I'm using it in stock options, and it's been working very, very well. So friends, the best part about this strategy is that it will help you identify reversals very, very well. So there are only two aspects to it. You need to understand the trend, and you need to understand the reversal, the positive or the negative reversal which is about to happen. So if you're able to identify these positive and negative reversals, then it's very, very easy for you to take position in this and make a lot of money. So this is exactly what I will be teaching in my swing trading WhatsApp class. So it's coming up on 28th of February, on Monday, by 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour every day for 5 days. You will be learning how to identify trends and how you can earn 30% in 3 months using the triple moving average crossover system. So friends, if you want to join this class, then I will add a link in the description box. You can go ahead, click on that link and enroll into this class, and I will see you in the class. I will be able to help you out. You'll be part of my swing elite group, where I will help you out and I will help you to take trades just like me. So these are the different stocks in which I took trades in, friends. First one was Wipro. Yeah, 580. See, February 4th. This is the day in which I sold 580C. Okay. So 576. At the time it was only at 576. The expiry was on 24th. So I knew that. See, I saw this swing high it has made, and I knew by using my reversal strategy I was able to understand that this level cannot be broken this month. So what I did was I sold 580 CE, which had a good premium. I think it had about 14.5 rupees of premium. So just in a matter of 2 days, let's see when I sold, I bought it back. In just 3 days, I booked a profit of 7,900, about 8,000 rupees of profit I booked in Wipro by selling 580C. So the next trade I took was a long position in Trident. So I entered into Trident on 3rd of February. So over here, somewhere over here, 3rd of February, I entered into Trident. My expectation was, I thought it will go higher. It did not, it instead came down. So I exited immediately. I made a loss of about 1,620 rupees in this. I held on to this trade for about 7 days. For 1 week I held on to this trade, but then it did not work out. So I just exited it. The next trade I took was in Ramco Siemens. Ramco Siemens also was the exact same thing. You can see the date is 11th February is when I actually entered into this trade. Over here on this candle I saw this evening star pattern, so I knew this level cannot be broken. because of my reversal strategy. So what I did was I sold 900 C. So 900 level is over here on this day. This is where I entered. So it gave me a little bit of hiccup, but it never really gave me any kind of loss. But eventually it started to go down. Yesterday I exited it with a profit of about 12,000 rupees. So Ramco Cement went well. So Ramco Cements I held on for 10 days. On 17th I took another trade in HDFC Life. So on this day, so I knew that it was actually going close. It was about to make a swing high. Using my reversal strategy, I was able to tell that it was about to make a swing high. So what I did was, on this day itself, on 17th itself, I made an entry. So I made an entry. I sold at the money. I sold 590 call option. But at 8.5 rupees of premium. But what happened was, on the next day it went up to 595. So I got a little bit scared, and because in stock options, especially when you're selling options, it's unlimited risk, right? So I got a little bit afraid because it was not reversing. So I made a loss of about 3,300 rupees over here on that day. As you can see, on the 18th itself I exited with a loss of 3,300 rupees. But then it started to fall, so I started to see that there was forming an inverted hammer pattern. So what I did was, on the very same day I once again shorted 600 C, 600 call option I entered into again on 18th. So it had a premium of just 6 rupees, but that was okay. So my idea was, at least I want to recover the 3,300 rupees of loss. So what I did was I made an entry into that, and I exited that today with a profit of about 6,000 rupees. And totally in Zerodha you can see I made a profit of 21,000. So in Upstocks, on 31st itself, on the 31st of January, I made an entry into Praj Industries, which is a long position. So I think it was, so this is where I made an entry in Prajakta Industries. So we exited, this call was shared in my group also, in my private group. So we exited with about 13.5 points at 436, which was the target. The target given was 436. So it went higher, it went up to 446, but then we booked it on this day at 436. We held it for just about 3 days and we exited. Next trade I took was in Chola Finance. Chola Finance, I made an entry on 3rd. So 3rd February. So over here I knew there was a reversal that was happening using my strategy, and I made an entry over here, and I exited around 695 over here on this day, because I knew it has given a pretty good return. See, it was about more than 7.7% of return. So the last trade I took in the Upstocks account was in Wipro. So as you can see, I entered on 11th. I exited on 22nd, which is today. So I held it for 11 days. Made a profit of about 6,000 rupees in this. So in Wipro, I noticed that it is once again making another swing high. So I was able to identify the reversal over here. So on 10th I noticed, and 11th I made an entry. So I entered. It was very small premium, but I just wanted to make use of the fact that I know that this market is reversing. So the premium I got was only 4.8 rupees. But still, it was pretty decent. Actually, most of it was through DK. So as you can see, it went higher. I'm still expecting Wipro to come down, but the expiry is very close. So I had to book my trade and come out of the trade. So I booked a profit of about 6,000 rupees in this trade. So this is how I took trades this month, friends. So if you also want to earn an income like this, if you have a capital of about 4 to 5 lakh rupees, then you can definitely do option selling in stock options using my reversal strategy. And you can also use this strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. although it's not tested for Nifty and Bank Nifty, this is mostly tested for stock options. So if you want to trade like me, this will be very, very useful for you. But even if you have a smaller capital, let's say you have 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh also, you can learn this strategy and take long positions in different equity stocks, and you can definitely make 5 to 10% return in every single trade. So I know this because I've been doing this, and a lot of my students are also able to do this, so I know this really works. So the class is happening on 28th. If you want to join the class, I will share a link in the description box. It's a 5-day class. There's a lot you will learn. It's just 499 rupees. It's less than what you will be spending for maybe a lunch or to watch a movie. So you really have to make the choice where you want to spend that 500 rupees in. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. I hope you think this video was useful for you. And if you like this video, hit the like. If you want to share this with your friends who are traders, go ahead and share it. And please leave some good comments in the comment section and let us know what you think about our videos, about our strategy, about our classes, about us. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Happy trading. Hope you become a profitable trader. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.